Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing our stuffing video. So we are stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. This is going to be a good video. So make sure you grab some popcorn, some snacks, get a drink, because we are going to be stuffing some envelopes today. So before we get started, as I get situated, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you are new, because I would absolutely love to get to know you guys. And if you are a return friend, then hi, thank you for supporting me. I absolutely love you guys. And for my newcomers, please hit that notification button so every time I post a video, you will be notified. So remember 2 weeks ago when I said that my goal is to make $1,300 every paycheck? Well, that didn't work. I think it's because I did use some PTO, which is paid time off, and for like the bachelorette trip and everything, I had to use PTO. So, you know, that happened, so I didn't have overtime a lot. So I have $1,286 is how much I made this week. So that I actually was minus what my goal was. Minus $1,286, well, equals to $14 is how much I lost. But you know what, you guys, that is totally fine. You win some, you lose some. I mean, there's always, in 2 weeks we can do it again. All right, so we're going to skip to paycheck number 2, and here is the due date, the bills, the due dates, and then we're going to budget it annual, which we kind of won't do. And then T is transfer, and then check mark is we already paid for it. All right, rent is $300. Car is $248. Phone is $50. Insurance is $74. Now, if you want to know why this is so cheap, go ahead and check out my last 2 weeks ago, my last sinking fund and cash envelope stuffing. I explained how much I actually pay, and then I divided and everything. So go and check that out. The link will be down below. Credit card will be $37. Light will be $35. Gym will be $17. MediaCom will be $17. And then loan will be $63. Now, I think I messed up on the light bill, because I think I took $25 out of the light bill already. So 25 minus 35. So I actually only have to put $10 back. So let me get that situated. These are not doing good, you guys. Am I doing something wrong here? So I actually only have to budget $10. We're just going to write $10 right there. All right, so rent, I transferred it. Car, I paid for it. Phone, I paid for it. Insurance, my mom's supposed to take it out, but we'll see. But I did pay for it. Credit, paid for it. Light bill, I have not paid for it yet. Gym has not been taken out. MediaCom, I sent it to Jared already, and then my loan was already paid for. All right, so the only 2 things that I need to pay for is the light bill, and then gym will come out sometime next week. All right, you guys, so let's get on with our cash envelopes. We're just going to get situated. So as always, we are going to be stuffing my Dave Ramsey Financial Peace University envelope. And a lot of people ask where I get this. I got this for like $10 when they were on sale, and plus I am part of the Financial Peace University like membership, so I paid like $150 to be a member, to like access all of like the everyday dollar for free, where you can like link your bank account and everything, and like, you know, transfer over and all that stuff. So that's what I did. But let's stuff. So I'm going to write down how much we're going to get. So groceries will be $100. Gas will be $60. Fund money, I really shouldn't be stuffing anything, because we're literally quarantined right now. Well, I mean, I have to go to work at the hospital and everything, but literally we're probably not going to be doing anything fun. But $40, if I use it, I use it. If I don't, I don't. All right, and then cushion will be $100. And then sinking funds, we'll find out about that later. All right, let's see. Groceries is going to be $100, and I'm going to put all this cash to the side, and then we will count later. $100. All right, gas will be $60. Let's see what I have. We're going to do 20s too. 40, 60. Fun money will be $40. All right, you guys, so that is it for my cash envelope stuffing. And we're going to actually figure this out and, you know, count. It might take a minute for me to sort this out, but, you know, you guys, a lot of people like watching other people sort out money. So we're just going to, you know, just roll with it. Again, how are y'all coping with this virus? I work at the hospital, so we are doing as much as possible. We're trying to test and screen everybody, ask questions, you know. I don't know if there's any confirmed cases. Well, I think they're not at my hospital, there isn't, but I've heard from other surrounding hospitals that there is, so who knows. All right, so this is from our cash envelope from last week. It's what we had for 2 weeks ago, actually. And we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So $53 is how much we have left over. So I'm just going to lay that right there. And I'm actually already going to tell you. So $20 is actually going to be set aside. So that's going to either go towards Transfer Tuesday or a 52-week challenge. So we're just going to do that. And then the 5s and the 1s I will explain to you. All right, moving on, you guys. Like I said, it's going to be a long video. Technically, it's not long. So we only have like 3 more steps that we have to do. All right, so let's do our sinking funds. My absolutely favorite thing to do in the most entire world. All right, so we have $145 that we are going to work with. And let me get my cheat sheet because I need it. All right, college will get $40. Vacation is going to get all $5, so we will fill that in later. And if you see that the number has changed for the $240, that just means that Jared, my fiance, gave me money and he's putting it towards vacation also. So that is why it's not going to be the same. And you will probably think that I just, you know, miscounted it wrong last time, but I didn't. It's just because Jared added to it during the week. All right. Medical will be $50. Car maintenance will be $20. Christmas is going to be $5. Black Friday will be $5. Wedding is going to be my dollar bills that I'm going to get from my cash envelopes. Special occasion will be $20. Beauty will be $0. Tag will be $5. And then gifts will be $0. All right, so as always, we got our envelopes on standby. They are all right here. And we're just literally going to just get started. All right, so first off is college. And we are going to put $40. I have to get this all. Okay, 2040, let's see. Oh, this is the one that has like the extra 50 and all other stuff. Okay. So, let's see. 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100 makes 2. 2, 40, 60, and 65. So 1, 2, and 65. All right, so that is going to be $265. Oh, nope, messed that wrong. $265 is how much we have that. All right, and then next will be vacation. So vacation is right here. All right, so vacation is going to get, how much did we say? Oh, it's going to get all the 5s. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So $20 is how much it's going to be. All right, let's see. $100, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $200, $20, $30, $40, $45, $50, and $55, $60. So $260, right? 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yep. $260. All right, medical is going to get $50. Let's see. $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $86, $87. So $87 for medical. Let's see, car maintenance is going to get $20. I actually am very impressed of how much money I have saved in car maintenance. 50, 100, 240, 60, 82. So $200 is how much I have, which is really good, you guys. I'm very proud of myself. All right, Christmas will be $5. I'm a little slacking on Christmas. So all I have is a 50 and a 5 makes 55. Black Friday will be $5 as well. Gift card equals $10. So we have 10, 50, 60, and 65. And I did re-laminate these envelopes because they were looking a little rough, you guys. So that's exciting. All right, wedding is going to get the dollar bills. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So $14 is how much going to go into wedding this time. All right, that's a lot of ones. All right, 1, 2, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36, so $236. That is a lot. And it's a lot of ones. Let's see. $236. Special occasion, which the next special occasion is bridal shower. So that is going to get a $20. And I already bought the cake. So pretty much I have to buy like decorations and food and everything. So I'll probably use special occasion and fun money on that. Beauty will not get anything. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Tag is going to get $5, and that is the last $5. And I actually need to bump this up because I want to get the, you know, the driver's license that you have to get your star so you can like fly in the United States. So I do want to get that. Don't know how much that's going to be, so I need to bump that up. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. $48. So I need to look into bumping that up in a couple of weeks. And then gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not going to add anything. Alright, you guys, so there you have it, and we're just going to do the total just really quick. So 265 plus 260 plus 87 plus 200 plus 55 plus 65 plus 236 plus 20 plus 15 plus 48 plus 5 equals $1,256. And then I'm just going to tally this up right now. So it was $145, and then we added $20 to vacation and $14 to special occasion, making it $179. Flip over to our weekly check-in for 2 seconds, and then we will end the video. So it's going to be $1,256 is how much we can spend for sinking funds. Alright, you guys, so there you have it for you folks. That sounded so weird. Alright, so we did our paycheck. We did our budgeting for paycheck number 2. We did our sinking funds. We stuffed our envelopes, you guys. We stuffed our cash envelopes. So all in all, it was a fun video. It was a very long video. It's probably almost 20 minutes. But, you know, these are my favorite videos, and I hope that those are your favorite also. And let me know down below if they are. And let me know if you do any cash envelope stuffing, any budgeting, food-related videos. Let me know, and I will surely go and check you out. If you don't, then you can still let me know, and I will most likely go and check you out and subscribe to you and support you, because I am all about supporting small businesses, small YouTube channels. Like, let's grow together, you guys, like, for real. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know down below if you did, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.